Hello students, Little Bird Schools welcomes you. Today we are starting with real-time gross settlement. What is the meaning of real-time gross settlement? When an RTGS member bank transfer money to any other RTGS member bank anywhere India, this method is called a RTGS. What is the meaning of RTGS? RTGS means real-time gross settlement is that full form. And what is the meaning of that? एक पर्सन उसकी बैंक से दूसरी बैंक में जो पैसे ट्रांसफ़र करता है उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? RTGS. Which of the RTGS member bank branch is identified the IFSC code? What is IFSC code? That is the code which means we all know about what is the person's bank and what is their personal IFSC code. Okay, it is 11-digit alphanumeric code. वो क्या होता है? 11 डिजिट में अल्फा न्यूमेरिक कोड होता है. अल्फा न्यूमेरिक मतलब क्या कि अल्फाबेटिकल होता है और न्यूमेरिकल भी होता है, दोनों साथ में होता है, उसे हम IFSC कोड बोलेंगे. IFSC कोड इज प्रोवाइडेड बाय IDRBT, Institute of Development and Research and Banking Research on Banking Technology. IFSC code is provided by IDRBT, Institute of Development and Research on Banking Technology. Hyderabad RTGS is a method of transferring the money from any bank in India. Hyderabad RTGS is a method of transferring money from any bank in India. In this method, the amount is debited or credited as per real time and as per the gross settlement. In RTGS method, money from account and account holder of a bank is transferred to the account of the account holder of the another bank in India. RTGS में IFSC कोड होता है, वो हमें जिससे हमें मनी लेनी है या जिसे हमें मनी देनी है उसका IFSC कोड हमें पता होना चाहिए. फॉर द डिपॉजिट ट्रांजैक्शन ऑफ 2 lakhs और मोर जिसके ट्रांजैक्शन हमें करने हैं उसके लिए IFSC कोड वगैरह हमें पता होना चाहिए. प्रोवाइडेड बाय सर्विस थ्रू RTGS. नेशनल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फंड ट्रांसफर NEFT. NEFT is a method in which one bank having NEFT membership transfer money to another NEFT member bank in India. NEFT मतलब क्या होता है? नेशनल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फंड ट्रांसफर. जो नेशनल होता है, हमारे नेशनल बैंकिंग्स जो है उसके रिगार्डिंग जितने भी बैंकिंग्स के फंड ट्रांसफर होते हैं वो NEFT. ट्रांसफर मनी टू अनदर NEFT member bank in India. Okay, then after NEFT is also type of payment. Just like RTGS, this arrangement is provided through online system. For this IFSC code is given. In this system there is no limit on minimum amount. इसमें कोई मिनिमम अमाउंट की लिमिट नहीं होती है. मैक्सिमम 2 लाख कैन बी ट्रांसफर्ड इन बैचेस इन द सिस्टम. 2 लाख तक हम इसमें ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं. IFSC कोड. ऑल NEFT मेंबर्स बैंक्स आर आइडेंटिफाइड थ्रू IFSC कोड. IFSC कोड से हमें जो किस बैंक का मेंबर है वो हमें पता चलता है. विच इज एन अल्फाबेटिकल न्यूमेरिकल कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 11 digit. In this method, commission is charged from a center, but in case in forward inward NEFT where in the receiver is not charged any commission. Okay, to NEFT 50,000 by cash, 50,000 or less can be NEFT deposited cash in bank. Facility of NEFT is available in walk-in customer from all NEFT member branches of the bank. Okay, bank overdraft. What is the meaning of bank overdraft? The businessman holding a current account with the bank, when the facilitator withdraw more money than the credit balance of this account is security given, then it is called a bank overdraft. The businessman may get an overdraft on the self guarantee of the security as a guarantee of the other. The interest has to be paid only on overdraft amount through the maximum amount sanctioned for overdraft may be more. Okay, so today we are closing with these topics.